So what are we doing today?
We're going to make some grilled fish.
But that's an onion.
Yeah, that's an onion, so I have to cut it.
But that's already the fish.
This already the fish already prepared.
So it's Khmer River fish or from
That's
Tonle
the
Sap?
sea fish.
Sea fish? Oh.
It's mackerel. Huh?
Ah, mackerel.
Ah, yeah, that is.
And what about this one? What you doing with this?
That one for the filling inside the fish and also for the sauce. That will come next. I put this so the red onion to cut the smell of the fish away. You know, when you have onion sometimes it's good. And ginger as well to take the fish all away. That's ginger.
Ginger in Khmer is knai?
Knai.
Knai.
It's knai. It's very healthy.
So what else do we have? Lemongrass.
We have lemongrass, we have
Is-
lime leaves,
Lemongrass, kaffir lime, this is that one.
and garlic,
And garlic is there. And
chili.
chili, of course. And lemon. Anything you can grow here? Ah, your chili you have, right? But
Yes.
it's not your chilies there.
No, that's not mine. That's from the market. But I have ginger. You can grow also very easy. Just put in the dirt, they just grow.
It just grows, right?
I don't need many.
But I think the first time I saw ginger, I didn't know it's ginger because the plant above the soil
Yeah.
looks, of course, not like ginger. So
we're
the
going to
chili?
make two kinds. So this one is chili salt.
The spicy, so there
Yeah.
comes chili and then salt.
I put salt, but not too much because the fish itself already salty, and a little bit of sugar.
Ah, okay.
So to make
In
and-
Khmer food, there's always some sugar in it,
yeah,
right?
but also depends on how people like it. But
And
it's
garlic. Okay.
garlic, and I think
That's it?
That's it, because we have only small fish. It's going to be loud. The garlic you don't have to peel because you anyway put it on the fish, so you don't burn. You don't have to crush them until this is
So just until it's a bit crushed.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be very smooth. No.
doesn't have to. So now everything ready, so we need to fill the fish. So I need to put this on the side. So I need to plate for
So here goes the
first
fish.
we take the one with the this is for the chili.
Okay, so it's all out, cleaned already.
Clean already. So this one just skin.
This one actually still has the head here, right? So we see
Yes.
it's an actual mackerel.
But you have to clean
Yeah.
it proper because
Yeah.
here, when you clean the fish, especially mackerel, you have to make sure that all the black thing are
Yeah.
around here because otherwise it's too bitter.
Yeah.
And the head also, you need to clean it proper. So there's the chili. We just put it here. Not so much, but if you want, you can use glove because me I just used to it. Otherwise, you will have a burn fingers.
Or you just wash it after. Now we are used to wash our hands a lot, so
Yeah.
that's fine. We don't forget.
So no need to put it on just like this, because this fish already salted itself. So
Yeah, and mackerel has already a stronger taste than the sweet
So
fish.
that's
And you put outside also as well?
yeah,
A little bit?
little bit,
Okay.
just but no. And this fish you can leave it like this, because you grill it flat. You don't have to put around the foil, because you need to have a little bit crunchy. If you
Okay.
put the foil, then it will be too soft. And then this one, it's easy. You don't have to put anything. Just put the lemongrass inside. I already crushed it. You see.
So it's crushed, yeah.
Just put a few in, so to have some flavor, and then some ginger and the leaf, but you have to crack it first so the smell come out. And sorry, I should just a few here. But then we need to you have to put 2 layers, otherwise it's going to be bad. Just put the onion here on the side and some ginger, because you want the smell from the outside also. Just put like this. It's not difficult.
And that's it?
Yeah, that's it. And we have another one. Just need to make some sauce. So this sugar, the leftover from the fish, and some salt. Because I don't put too much salt, I rather add it later, because I also put fish sauce. But sugar you need to put more, because you want sweet and sour sauce.
Okay.
And
The good fish sauce? No, first the
first
chili.
you need the chili. So if you don't like spicy, you just put 1.
So we can put a lot.
Yeah, because we like spicy. I love spicy. Spicy is sauce. Not spicy, it doesn't call the sauce. Garlic you don't have to peel if you don't want to. You know, some people they will put MSG, but instead of that, if you don't want, you just put a little bit more sugar. So you take the salt out a little bit with the sugar.
Okay.
But Asian people, we like to put MSG, but I don't do it. I just put only sugar and salt and fish sauce. So the garlic, it depends on how much you like, but I think that's enough for us. Some people they like more garlic, they put a lot. Just like this. Then we're going to smush it. Smash it until it
Yeah, it has to be totally crushed, right?
yeah.
I can smell it already. The chili and the garlic.
Spicy.
So it's sugar, salt,
Oh,
chili and garlic.
And
Yeah.
lime sauce.
And a bit lime juice. Okay.
And water.
And water. Okay.
Because
But here it's in the water. It's already the water?
No,
No,
not
no,
yet.
no. Okay, later. Yeah.
You add it later.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Because if you put all the liquid already and then when you crush it, it's going to be flush on your face.
Yeah.
So you better smash this first. If you have the blender, you just use the blender. It's okay. Easier.
But this is way more authentic and
Yeah.
always better.
That's how we use in Cambodia. This is our kind of like our weapon to crush the food. I think it's okay now. Finish like this.
Okay.
Because if you use blender, it will be more small pieces. But
Yeah.
if you crush like
No, but
this,
that's fine, huh?
yeah.
So,
No, I just need a.
you need a new one.
It's okay.
That's fine.
Excellent. Okay. Then you can add water and the lime juice. It depends on how much you like, sour or less.
Mm-hmm.
So you can just.
Do you have a lime here?
Yeah. It's,
Some lime juice. That's a
lime.
leftover salt.
The best way to cut the lime is you need to roll it a little bit so the juice will come out easily.
Ah.
That's how we learn from our grandparents. And remember to cut the lime juice because we don't have the thing to
Squeeze it
squeeze it. So you cut like this in the side, not in the middle.
so the seeds won't come out.
Yeah,
a
the seed
little
won't
bit.
come out. Also, if you cut in the middle like this,
Yeah.
you see the line here. It's
Mhm.
not easy to squeeze the juice out.
Okay.
Sometimes we have to laugh and cut the lamb. And also the seed, you see, you don't have to
Yeah.
work so hard to take it out. Just like this, take the seed out. We need more. 'Cause- And also it depends the limes. This one is more sour than the bigger one. The green also, but bigger.
Mm-hmm.
They often have more juice, but they're less sour. So I will put this much first.
And I see the fish sauce here, so you also take some fish sauce in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's also it depends how much you like with the fish sauce.
Oh, that's fine.
If you don't like, you just leave it. But if you like, you can put. But you can add a little bit, and need to be careful because they're also salty. So you don't over put it, otherwise your sauce will taste too salty. And I need water.
You need some water.
Now, then you put you know, normally I never measure it because I know how much I put already. You know, when you cook
Yeah.
all the time, so you know how much you want, so you don't have to
Just splash the bottle in.
yeah. But it's also again, if it's too salty, you can add more water, more lime and sugar, then it's finished. You can fix it. It's not difficult.
So we got some water
Okay. Wow.
from our nice assistant.
Just add sometimes you can put a coriander, but I'm sure some people don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
For me, normally I will put it just to add more flavor. That's all. No sauce.
Cool. Did you try it?
The two fish we have. So the fire, we should not make it too hot, otherwise the fish will be burned before it cooks.
And we put some sweet potatoes on the barbecue.
Yeah.
And the other one as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, we take it. Come on. It's over there.
Yeah, I know. Our other fish. So I need to move the sweet potato inside it. And this one we just grate like this with skin side first.
Okay. But later you will flip it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Later. So
So
we
we
need
wait
to
for it.
give some.
No, almost, huh? Well.
It's otherwise.
So you flipped it already, and
Yeah.
if it's too hot, it's getting a bit burned. So we have to
Yeah,
be.
have
What
to
about
be-
the other one, the one in the foil?
No, this one is okay. You
It's
let
just
it
boiling
cook.
inside.
Just, let it maybe 10 minutes and then you turn, and then another 10 minutes and then it should be ready. They cook fast.
Okay. Okay, here we go. And this one is already done. It's like Christmas.
What kind of present?
Oh, there it is. So we have grilled mackerel with chili and salt, and we have grilled mackerel in aluminium foil stuffed with lemongrass,
Lemongrass,
garlic.
lime leaves,
And
onion,
leaves.
and ginger.
Perfect. So this is how you do a proper Cambodian barbecue. Thank you, Lida. Thank you.